Hello student, this is the Sangeeta Mansukhani, video number 130. In this video I will be explain resonance. What is a resonance? When a single Lewis dot structure is unable to explain all the properties of a compound, two or more structure called the canonical forms or resonating structure. When a single Lewis dot structure, it is unable to explain all properties of a compound. So we have to draw two or more structures. So we call canonical forms or resonating structure. And they are drawn to explain all the properties of that compound. Then the actual structure of the compound is between these canonical form. And it is called resonance hybrid of these canonical forms. So phenomena is called resonance. Like here you see benzene. Benzene is the resonance hybrid of the following two canonical forms. See, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, then another one is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Six carbon atom, but here double bond conjugated system are changed. Here double bond situation you see 1 and 2 between carbon, third and fourth, and fifth and sixth. And here you see first and sixth between carbon double bond, and second and third, and fifth and fourth. Okay, so that is means only for double bond conjugated system are different, but between the first and second, okay, one structure, this is called resonance hybrid. Okay, so the actual structure of the compound is between these canonical forms. This is the first and second canonical forms, and between the structure, actual structure known as resonance hybrid, and this phenomena is called resonance. So this is the example of the benzene. Then after, resonance structure are hypothetical, that is means have no real existence. Okay, and energy of the actual structure or resonance hybrid is lower than that of the any of the canonical forms. So difference between the hybrid and energy of the most stable canonical forms is called the resonance stabilization energy or resonance energy. And the more number of the important canonical forms, more is the energy, resonance energy. But in case of resonating structure of the equivalent energy, resonance is great importance. Clear? So to resonance, again I say, when a single Lewis dot structure, it is unable to explain the properties of the compound. So we have to draw two or more structure, and that explain all the properties of compound. Okay, so it is known as canonical forms and resonating structure. But actual structure of the compound is between the canonical forms. It is called resonance hybrid, and this phenomena is called as resonance. Clear? Rules for writing resonance structure. First one is, whenever while writing the resonance structure, so following rules are considered. First one is, arrangement of the atoms must be identical and almost same in every resonance structure. Okay, so arrangement of the atoms identical. Then second one, energy content of the all canonical forms must be nearly the same. Okay, energy content of the all canonical forms must be nearly the same. Then third one, each canonical form must have the same number of the unpaired electron. Each canonical forms must have the same number of the unpaired electron. So these are three rules for writing resonance structure. Then next is resonance effect. Resonance effect, the polarity developed within a molecule due to the interaction of the two pi bond or of a pi bond with the lone pair of electron present on the adjacent atom is called resonance effect. Again I say, the polarity developed within a molecule due to the interaction of the two pi bond and of a pi bond with the lone pair of the electron present on the adjacent atom. So it is called resonance effect, and resonance effect denoted by capital R, and it is also, we say, mesomeric effect. Okay, and transmitted through the chain. So it is also a permanent effect. Clear? So resonance effect, if the polarity developed within a molecule due to the interaction of the two pi bond and of a pi bond with the lone pair of the electrons present on the adjacent atom, so it is called resonance effect, capital R, and it is also called mesomeric effect and transmitted through the chain. So it is also a permanent effect. Then after, depending of the direction of the transfer of the electron, two types of the resonance effect: positive resonance effect and negative resonance effect. Positive resonance effect denoted by plus R and negative resonance effect denoted by minus R. When the electron move away from the atom or substituent group attached to the conjugated system, this is the benzene ring. Benzene ring, it is a conjugated system. What is the conjugated system? Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. This is the conjugated system. Okay, but attach electron, okay, electron donor group like NH2. NH2 has lone pair. Okay, so if electron donating group attached to the conjugated system, so it given its electron, so that is means electron move away from the atom or substituent group attached to the conjugated system. So this effect is called positive resonance effect, because due to this effect electron density increase at certain places. Okay, like here you see nitrogen has lone pair, it's given its lone pair electron to the, this is single bond, but further double bond electron going to the ortho position. So ortho position electron density increase because bond pair electron on the ortho position, and backside double bond are formed. And nitrogen given its electron, so positive charge create on nitrogen. So due to this reason nitrogen has positive charge after the given the electron, so we say plus R. Okay, plus R. Then after this electron pair going to the further and then forming the new bond, but first next double bond going to the para position. So double bond electron going to the para position, lone pair negative charge, and backside electron pair forming the here new bond. Okay, here form new bond. Clear? Then after, this is the electron pair going to the further and forming the new bond, but for further double bond going to the next single bond. So here going to this side and then here form new bond. Okay, again same procedure here forming new bond, but first double bond electron going to this nitrogen. So nitrogen again has lone pair, double bond convert into the single bond, and this electron pair forming the new bond. See, first this is aniline, this is also aniline. NH2 group attached with the benzene, we say aniline. Okay, and here also aniline, but here you see conjugated system, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. It has also double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. So this is also aniline. So this is positive resonance effect because electron donating group given its electron and increase the electron density to the conjugated system. Okay, but nitrogen has positive charge after the given electron, so it is a positive resonance effect. Negative resonance effect, opposite of positive. See, here electron transferred through the atom towards the atom. See, NO2 group, nitrogen double bond oxygen and one side coordinated oxygen. So whenever electron are transferred towards the atoms and substrate group attached to the conjugated system. Here you see nitrogen double bond electron going to the oxygen, but nitrogen nitro group attract the electron from conjugated system. Okay, so then after electron density decrease on benzene, but nitrogen attract the electron, so negative charge electron density increase on nitrogen. So due to this reason it is negative resonance effect. Okay, so see, nitrogen double bond electron going to this oxygen, backside double bond electron going to this way. So here double bond electron has a negative charge on oxygen, here single bond convert into the double bond, backside again double bond electron going to this position. So here new bond are formed, but first here positive charge, so here new double bond form, and here backside para position plus charge. Then after backside double bond again transfer on para, so bond new bond are formed, and ortho position positive create positive charge. Then after backside bond are transfer on ortho, so backside single bond, here single bond, then backside double bond electron going to this, and here double bond also form. So same first and last position are similar, only for changing in conjugated system. Okay, when a single and double bond are present alternately either in open chain or in cyclic system. So the system is called conjugated system. Okay, when single bond and double bond are present alternately either in open chain or in cyclic system, so system is called conjugated system. And such system often exhibit abnormal behavior, and in this system the pi bonds are delocalized and polarity is developed. Okay, next topic is electromeric effect. Electromeric effect, electromeric denoted by capital E. Electromeric defect. Electromeric effect denoted by capital E. So the polarity developed due to the complete transfer of a shared pair of the pi electron to any of the atoms linked directly to the multiple bond in the presence of an attacking reagent is called electromeric effect. Again I say, the polarity developed due to the complete transfer of a shared pair of the pi electron to any of the atoms linked directly to the multiple bond in the presence of an attacking reagent, it is called electromeric effect. But it is a temporary effect and operates only in the presence of the attacking reagent. But it is a strong effect because of the involvement of the weak pi bonds. The electromeric effect is represented by means of a curved arrow beginning at original position of the electron pair and terminating where the pair has migrated. So this effect may also be of plus E type or minus E type. So that is means electromeric effect are two types, positive electromeric effect and negative electromeric effect. Here you see unsaturated system CH3, CH double bond CH2. So double bond, if the electrons of the pi bond are transferred to the that atom, like here H plus, so transferred to that atom of the double bond to which the reagent gets finally attached. Okay, so this hydrogen attached with this carbon, but first double bond electron are transferred to that atom, then after this hydrogen are attached, but this carbon electron density decrease, so that's reason carbon has positive charge. So CH3, CH plus, CH3. Opposite way, negative electromeric effect, like carbonyl group. So if the carbon double bond electrons of the double bond are transferred to the an atom other than the one to which the reagent got finally attached, so this effect is known as minus IE effect. Like you will see cyanide are attached of the with carbonyl group. So carbon, first cyanide attack on the carbon, but first one double bond electron going to this attaching oxygen atom. Okay. So if the electrons of the double bond are transferred to that an atom of the double bond other than the one of two which the reagent gets finally added. So CN attached with carbon, double bond convert into the single bond. Oxygen attract the electron, so oxygen negative charge. So this is effect is known as minus E effect, negative electromeric effect. So if pi and sigma bond both are present in a compound, so the reagent always attack the pi electron cloud first, because pi electron cloud is always much more exposed than a sigma electron cloud. Okay, and then if inductive and electromeric effect operate in opposite direction, okay, the electromeric effect predominates over the inductive effect. Clear? Then next one is hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation, it is also fundamental concept of organic chemistry. So the stabilization interaction that involves delocalization of the sigma electrons of CH bond of an alkyl group, and it is linked to the directly to an atom of unsaturated system, otherwise or to an atom having unshared p orbital. So it is called hyperconjugation. Here you see carbon-carbon single bond. This is the back side, this is the front side bond. Okay, so this carbon has one electron and this carbon empty p orbital. So whenever this carbon hydrogen and this carbon hydrogen overlap, okay, so hyperconjugation we have to say. Clear? So the stabilization interaction that involving delocalization of the sigma electron of the CH. This is the CH, this is also CH. Okay, of an alkyl group linked directly to an of unsaturated system. Clear? But this effect is permanent effect, and during it partial conjugation is developed between the sigma electron of CH bond and unsaturated system of the and or the unshared p orbital. Like here you see positively charged CH3. This is the one CH3. Here CH2 plus. CH3 CH2 plus. Okay, so CH2 plus has empty p orbital and with which one of the CH bonds of the methyl group, clear, align in its plane, and so the electron of the CH bond can be delocalized into the empty p orbital. So this is the hyperconjugation, and such type of the overlap makes the carbocation more stable because the electron density from the adjacent sigma bond, this is the adjacent sigma bond CH, helps in the dispersing the positive charge. Okay, so that's reason hyperconjugation, it is a more stability create. So the stabilization interaction due to the hyperconjugation, clear. See here example, you see CH3 CH2 plus CH, here you see this carbocation transfer because this hydrogen given its electron. Okay, so this positive charge, this bond electron going to this side, so here double bond are formed and this hydrogen positive charge. Otherwise this hydrogen given its bond pair to this here, so this is one side, one time this one time this one. Okay, clear. Then we have to see hyperconjugation in the branching. If the number of the alkyl group attached to the carbocation positively charged carbon increases, so number of the hyperconjugated structure also increase, because here you see CH3 whole 3 C plus, so 3 methyl group attached with the carbon, 1 methyl group attached, so 3 hydrogen represent conjugated system. So here CH3 3, so that is mean 3 6 2 9, 3 3 9, so 9 hyperconjugated system structure of this 3 degree carbocation. If we take CH3 whole 2 CH plus 2 methyl group, so 1 methyl group 3, so 2 methyl group 6 hyperconjugated structure. CH3 CH2 plus CH3 1 only, so 3 hyperconjugated structure and CH3 methyl carbocation. So as the number of the alkyl group attached to the positively charged carbon atom increase, so number of the hyperconjugative structure increase, so stability of the cation also increase. Clear? Next one is types of the organic reaction. Types of the organic reaction, reactions categorized into the following 5 categories. First one is substitution reaction. Substitution reaction, here you see RCH3 plus X2 in the presence of the light or temperature 520 to 670 Kelvin. So substitution reaction is that which involve the directly replacement halogen attached with the carbon. Okay, so and hydrogen replaced by halogen, so RCH2X plus HX, so halogen substituent group. Okay, so a substitution reaction is that which involves the directly replacement of an atom in organic molecule by another atom, so it is called substitution reaction. Okay, substitution reaction further classified free radical substitution reaction. Free radical, that is means this substitution reaction brought about by free radical. Okay, like halogenation of the alkanes, CH4 plus chlorine in the presence of the HNO light, so one chlorine replaced by the hydrogen, so CH3Cl and HCl replace. Okay, second, another substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic reaction, that is means it is initiated by the electrophiles. Okay, so like RCH2X, so this group RCH2 attached on benzene and here carbon and here halogen. Okay, hydrogen and halogen replace and CH2R group attached with the benzene. So this reaction are called electrophilic substitution reaction. Then third one is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic, that is means this reaction, those substitution reaction which begins with the attack of the nucleophile. Electrophilic substitution reaction, that is means beginning with the electrophile. And nucleophilic substitution reaction, the substitution reaction which begins with the attack of the nucleophile. Okay, and these are usually written as capital S and capital N. Capital S substitution and capital N nucleophile. Okay, so these are also two types, unimolecular, so SN1, and bimolecular SN2. RX plus KOH, so OH attached with the alkyl group and halogen with K, So Kx. Then second one is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction is one that involves the loss of the two atoms or groups of the atom from the same or adjacent atom of the substance, leading to the formation of the multiple bond. See here you see. Okay, halogen, these are nucleophile, OH minus, OR, nitrogen, N2 plus, N3, N plus 3R, S plus 2R. Okay, so these elimination reaction, example you see. Okay, CH3 OH CH2H. OH, this first carbon halogen and next carbon is beta. So in the presence of the concentrated H2SO4, alpha position hydrogen and beta position OH, water isolated and between the carbon double bond are formed. So what is the elimination reaction? Elimination reaction, that is means loss of the atom. So water are molecular loss and formation of the unsaturated multiple bond. Okay, so double bond formation between the carbon atom. So these are elimination reactions. So first one is substitution reaction, second one is elimination reaction, and third one is addition. What is the addition? Reaction which involve combination between the two reacting molecule, and whenever two reacting molecule combine, so two give a single molecule of the product. So these are called addition reaction. See, RCH double bond CH2 HX. So halogen attack on this carbon. Okay, but first this double bond break. So whenever break, so one side hydrogen attach and another side halogen. Okay, so halogen attach on this carbon. So RCHX, hydrogen attach on this carbon. So CH3. Okay, so this is the addition reaction. Then last one is rearrangement. Fourth one is rearrangement. Reaction that involving the migration of the atom. Here you see CH3, CH2, 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 Br. So bromine migrate from first carbon to the second carbon. So this is the rearrangement reaction. Like one bromobutane convert into the two bromobutane. But in the presence of the anhydrous AlCl3, temperature 575 Kelvin. So halogen attach on the second. So rearrange. So reaction involving the migrate of the an atom or a group from one atom to the another atom within the same molecule. So it is called rearrangement reaction. Clear? So four types of the reaction: substitution reaction, elimination reaction, third addition reaction, and fourth one is rearrangement reaction. Clear?